up, guys? Ethan Rowling here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MacBook Air M3 with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. So, in the color Midnight. So let's get started with this unboxing. Here is the computer in the Apple packaging. Set this off to the side. Now we got two pull tabs to pull. One pull tab. Two pull tabs. Okay. Now, let's reveal the device. Here it is in the shiny paper. Very thin. Holy matrimony. Holy. This is my first time having a MacBook. This is crazy thin. Anyway, I'm going to set it off to the side and we'll do accessories. So you get your USB-C to MagSafe connector. And then some paperwork. And you do get Apple stickers. Now I opted for the 70-watt power brick. Now I'm gonna unwrap the MacBook for you guys so you can see the color. I won't open the screen, but I'll let you guys look at the color. There's the midnight color. This is also the 13-inch. And it looks like you got two USB-Cs and a MagSafe port on this side. And then the other side, you got a headphone jack. So, that is going to wrap up this video. And I will see you guys in the future with gaming. So, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.